Imagine walking into Starbucks and confidently ordering your favorite drink in perfect English. No more feeling nervous. No more blanking out. Just smooth, easy English that works every time. Let's make that happen today, together. All right, picture this. You walk into Starbucks and you step up to the counter. Then the barista looks at you, smiles, and says, "Hi there. What can I get started for you today?" Now it's your turn. You say, "Hi, can I get a tall vanilla latte, please?" Then the barista asks, "Absolutely. Hot or iced?" You answer, "Hot, please." They nod and ask, "Got it. Anything else?" And you say, "No, that's all. Thank you." Then they ask, "Your name?" Here's what to say when they ask this. You don't need to say, "My name is," that sounds a little too formal in this situation. Instead, keep it simple and natural. Just say, "Yeah, it's," and then your name. For example, I might say, "Yeah, it's Anna." Now you try it with your name. "Yeah, it's," and say your name clearly. The barista smiles again and says, "Great. That'll be $4.85. You hand over your card or cash and say, "Here you go." And finally, they say, "Thank you. Your drink will be ready at the counter." Just like that, you've done it. Let's slow it down and break it all into small, easy parts so you know exactly what to say and why. First, you said, "Can I get a tall vanilla latte, please?" This is a friendly and natural way to order. Now remember, at Starbucks, tall means small. Weird, right? But here's how their sizes go. Tall is small, Grande is medium, and Venti is large. You can say, "Can I get," instead of "I want." It just sounds more polite and more natural. Then when they ask, "Hot or iced?" they want to know if you want it warm or cold. You just say, "Hot, please," or "Iced, please." That's it. Super simple. When they say, "Anything else?" and you say, "No, that's all. Thank you." That's how you close your order politely. Short and sweet. Your name? They ask this so they can write your name on the cup. You just say, "Yeah, it's," and your name. No need to overthink it. Even adding a tiny pause like "it's a" sounds friendly and real. That's how people actually talk in everyday situations. And when you pay, you say, "Here you go." This is a super common phrase when you're handing something to someone, your card, cash, anything. Now you've just ordered a drink in English, clearly, confidently, and naturally. How cool is that? And hey, this is just the beginning. Want more real-life English like this? Tell me in the comments what situations you want help with next. What's your go-to Starbucks drink? I'd love to know. Tap like if this video helped you, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. And don't forget to follow this channel for more easy, real English that you can actually use in your life. Let's keep learning together.